Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are all doing well. I'm here with a brand new meme coin. OMG, you got excited. First of all, you have to open a link which is given below in the description. Site name is pinkycoin.net. As you open the link, you can see the dashboard right here. Pinky. Pinky is a Solana meme coin captivating the crypto community with his fluffy pink fur. He'll make you and your portfolio feel fuzzy on the inside. Next, we can see the address of this site of to purchase meme coin, their wallet. We can purchase it on Rhodium and also on Jupiter. Okay, I'm opening both links in new tab. We can see right here in Rhodium, you can see the total chat of Pinky coin right here. It's about 0.061636. The current price of Pinky meme coin is here. I am putting like $100 here, 100 Solana. I receive this amount of Pinky coin in my wallet. Before doing this, I have to connect my wallet right here. You connect your wallet and purchase the Pinky coin to be millionaire in the future. Like I am selecting here USDT. In 100 USDT, I receive this amount of Pinky coin in my wallet. Next, we can see it on Jupiter. Here you can use USDT or any of other coin you want to exchange, you want to swap, okay, in exchange of Pinky coin. Like I am here, I am putting 100 Solana. I receive this amount of Pinky coin in my wallet. Before doing this, I have to connect my wallet right here. Hope so you will understand it. Next, we can see you can join their Telegram also to get the latest update about this coin on their channel. Cuddle up with success. Pinky to Solana. Ticker Pinky text 0 LP burnt. Here is the Pinky coin roadmap in phase 1. Initial fundraising, launch token and LP pawn on Rhodium. Token is tradable on Jupiter and Rhodium DEX platforms. Grow the community on twitter.com. 100 diamonds handholders. 100 to 500k MC floor price. Get on the strict list of Jupiter. Guerrilla Marketing Summer 2024. Initial influencer push. In phase 2, CoinMarketCap and CoinGecko listings. More DEX listings and wallets listing tier 2. Continue to grow the community on X and Telegram. Increase Pinky holders. Increase the amount of YouTubers talking about Pinky. Establish a strong floor price, $1 million MC floor. In phase 3, deepen liquidity and diversity. Community growth on X.com, 50k followers and Telegram. More tier 2 CEX and wallet listings. Partner and major influencers. In phase 4, tier 1 CEX listings, more tier 2 CEX listings. Pinky becomes a household name. $1 billion plus market cap. Pinky joins his animal buddies Sheep, Doge, Bonk and Peep at the top. Okay, next right here you can see the Telegram button, join Telegram button. Click here and join their official Telegram channel to get all the latest updates about Pinky coin. Next, we can see disclosure. By purchasing Pinky coin, you agree that you aren't purchasing a security or investment contract. You agree to hold the team harmless and not liable for any losses or taxes you may incur. Although Pinky is a community-driven DeFi ecosystem and not a registered digital currency, always make sure that you are in compliance with local laws and regulations before you make any purchase. We don't guarantee any form of profits from this project. Hope so you'll understand my all video. If you understand, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon to get all the latest updates from my channel, and share the video with your friends to get more interesting videos like this. We'll meet in the next video. Take care. Thank you. Bye bye.